Okay. Actually, local self-government, it's your right on local democracy. And today we will discuss local self-government in Ukrainian constitution and legislation, European principles and standards of local self-government, your local rights, and realization of your municipal rights. And many of you can tell that it's a very boring subject and it is not useful for you, but it's not true. Actually, local self-government in the environment around us. Every morning when you get up, you start to use municipal services. And it's about your life in local area, on some local area. And in Kyiv, in the capital of Ukraine, we have some interesting tradition, and many of you know about it. In summer, maybe in spring, many of us can take shower, but without hot water. You know about it. Actually, it's our ice bucket challenge, yeah? And you know about this, and about this. And this is our municipal trouble, actually. And not actually this. This too, swimming pool in Kyiv. And this, local roads, normal situation for us, yeah, unfortunately. And this, for our cars. And actually, many foreign citizens can ask why. Actually, we don't know too, yeah? Why? And you can tell me that it's not your problem because you participate in local elections and your representatives should do everything and should fix all problems. And maybe you're right, but your participation in local election just small part of really participation on local area. And you should understand this. Actually, I like one test, and I made such testing many times. Please tell me, do you have mobile phones? So yes. Actually, yes. Why you choose exactly your model?
What was the question?
Because it's cheap.
Okay.
Maybe because it's just for communication. Quite different if you all have expected phone.
Exactly your model.
Okay, I have a cheap phone and I have a function.
Function, cheap, yeah.
This kind of expensive phone.
Maybe other ideas.
User-friendly.
Okay.
Yes, I have iPhone.
Maybe software.
The same software is expensive.
We don't have any movie in Europe.
I have you too.
So you had some reasons, yeah? And you choose phone. And I think that you will make some searching and you will search some information about film that you want to see, yeah? You will search maybe some information about director, maybe about actors, yeah? Maybe about, I don't know, trailers. So you will do something, but when you think about local authority, I know that it is not like with phone. Why? Do you know about your representatives on local level?
How local are we talking?
Maybe
Local level, local deputies.
City or
City, yeah.
Mayor.
Mayor, maybe mayor.
where of
Did you search? Okay, did you search some information about mayor, about future representatives?
Xbox.
Okay, about Klitschko, about local council. Did you search some information about your future local representatives?
No.
No.
Why?
And actually, I asked this question many times in many groups of people, in different groups of people, and they told me they didn't search any information about our local representatives. We don't know about local programs. Why? When you buy some phone, you search some information. When you want to see movie, you search some information. But when you elect your representatives, no. Why? I think that local representatives, it's actually important thing that move your phone, and then you ask yourself, why we live in such situation? Because, and actually this is big problem of our people, our citizens. And if some guy or our local deputy will tell you, I will do everything next time, our citizens will elect once more that guy. Why? Why are people so trustful?